Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to secure a Google Drive folder with a password. Before we dive in, don't forget to check out the latest video linked just below this one. Let's get started. First, the initial step is to access your Google Drive. Open any web browser and go to google.com. Once you're there, click on the icon with the 9 dots, which is the Google Apps menu. From the options, select Drive to open your Google Drive. Now that you're on the Google Drive page, we'll create a new form. To do that, click on the New button at the top left and then select Google Forms from the drop-down. This will open up a new tab where you can start customizing your form. Next, give your form a title. Something like password would work. Then click on the Untitled Question text to edit it. Here, you can change the question to something like password and set the answer type to short answer. Once that's done, check the box that says Required, so users have to fill this in before submitting. Click on the 3 dots for more options and select Response Validation. Change the setting to text and enter the password that you'll want to use for accessing your folder. Next, go to the settings by clicking on the gear icon. From there, navigate to the Presentation tab. Here, you'll want to customize the confirmation message.
Click on Edit and type something like "Thank you."
Then, paste the link to your Google Drive folder into this message. To get the link, right-click on your folder, choose Share, and copy the link. Paste that link into the confirmation message section. After saving these changes, it's time to preview your form. When someone completes this form, they'll need to enter the correct password to access the folder. Once they input the password and click Submit, they'll be able to open the folder. And that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments.